They say that some group of men don troop go Abuja go demand for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditional release, advise Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu. Do not be like a Buhari. No be small thing o. You are welcome back to News Info. Here we bring you updates back to back as it dey happen o. I will allow you to enjoy the video together, and before we come back, come talk one or two things. Join.
Press. On behalf of concerned citizens of Nigeria and the credible leadership support, I welcome you all to this very important press briefing today, Monday, 12th April 2024. Credible leadership support, in conjunction with concerned citizens of Nigeria, are the ones holding this press briefing. And these two organizations is made up of pan-Nigerians that are drawn from every corner of Nigeria, representing all the various ethnic nationalities, religion, and gender. And our core objective is to support credible leadership and anything that will impact positively on Nigerian people. The main theme of this press briefing today will comprise of a brief overview of the rising insecurity in the nation, with particular reference to Southeast. You will observe that the nation has suffered severe and catastrophic insecurity in the past 2 decades, spanning from the last 2 previous administrations. You will also agree with us that combating the challenge of insecurity, particularly needless and preventable insecurity, during the same period had taken away huge scarce resources from our nation, and it distracted the country's leadership from focusing on real governance that would have had real and positive impacts on the lives and living conditions of our citizens, such as bridging infrastructural deficit, creating more employment, investing and improving local food production, improving and enhancing both our education and health sectors, improving workers' welfare and the working condition, etc. The more resources we divert to fighting this preventable and needless violence and other forms of insecurity, the less resources will be available to invest in the President's renewed hope agenda, which promises to build $1 trillion Nigerian economy within the next decade by focusing on his ongoing efforts on job creation, access to capital for small and large businesses, inclusiveness, the rule of law, and the fight against hunger, poverty, and corruption. With particular reference to the Southeast, various actors, including criminal gangs and politically sponsored groups and various non-state actors, have capitalized on certain political missteps of the past administrations to commit mayhem. It is no gainsaying to mention here that these criminal masterminds have turned the upheaval of insecurity into a lucrative commercial enterprise for their selfish benefits. Therefore, as concerned citizens, we can't allow this to continue. So today, we are appealing to our dear President, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to undo certain unwise decisions of the past and redirect the nation to the path of national reconciliation. One way to begin is to look anew at the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and urgently consider the prospects of political solutions. We must not lose sight of how all this began. It began as an agitation by Nnamdi Kanu for political justice, by whatever name it was called. To be sure, there is no Nigerian that does not abhor political injustice or have complaint of one injustice or the other. So it's just a matter of degree. Be it Sunday, it will host agitation for Oduduwa Republic, or Niger Delta militants agitation for resource control, or Omoyele Sowere's Revolution Now agenda, to mention but a few, all of which has had a semblance of political solution of some sort applied to its resolution. So keeping all this in view, it is better to embrace political solutions to political agitations. In essence, dialogue is the key. Therefore, continuing the detention of Nnamdi Kanu is not the solution. Rather, it creates a situation that enables certain elements to cause chaos in the society, and it's happening already. From his antecedent, charisma, and the millions of followers, a freed Nnamdi Kanu will be a great asset to stemming insecurity in the southeast and Nigeria at large. And this, we believe, will be pivotal to allowing our security agencies to redirect their efforts to other regions of the country that portend more security challenges. And we also enable them free up their assets to deal with more serious and emerging threats to our national security. There is no better evidence of this than what Nnamdi Kanu had said during his last court appearance, where in his own words, he condemned in very clear and unequivocal terms all forms of criminality in the southeast. If Nnamdi Kanu is released, we would have removed and frustrated those who are using his incarceration as a reason to perpetrate violence and criminality in the region. It is therefore our hope that our president will heed our earnest call. As Abraham Lincoln said to an American nation far more divided than ours, we are not enemies but friends. Though passion may have strength, it must not break our bonds of affection. By immediately taking this step and freeing Nnamdi Kanu, the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR, would have put his hands on the arc of history and bent it once more towards the hope for a better Nigeria that is anchored on justice, peace, security, and economic stability.
Lọ́rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu lábẹ́ bẹ̀ bàbá wa Aṣíwájú kó bá wa fojú àánú wo ọ̀rọ̀ Aṣíwájú ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu nítorí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Nnamdi Kanu the same thing pẹ̀lú ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho ni, and again as at today Sunday Igboho ti di free person. Kó bá wa wo ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu, wọ́n fẹ́ fi Nnamdi Kanu ṣe political fugitive ni. So àwọn tó ń cash out lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Nnamdi Kanu àwọn ló pọ̀ ju ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Nnamdi Kanu lọ. Kó bá wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, kó fojú àánú wo ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. That you should have mercy. You should look at the issue with a merciful eye. Because Nnamdi Kanu is just a political fugitive, and thank God today we have a president who is down with every issue of incarceration. He himself was once in that situation. He almost lost his life in Nigeria Republic when Abacha was president of Nigeria. He was almost killed. It's the same issue, the same situation, Nnamdi Kanu. So we are here as concerned citizens of Nigeria, from all walks of life, from all crimes, all everywhere in Nigeria. We have our Igbo brothers here, our Hausa brothers here. We are all here appealing to Nnamdi Kanu. This issue is not an Igbo issue. It's an issue of Nigeria. It's a national.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and hear them for your own ear, no be smart, tell me what you think and write your own opinion for inside comment section, and share this video and subscribe to this channel. We go like more reply some comment for inside comment section. So write what you think what's supposed to happen. Everybody knows in a political solution. Now if you work this, but Nigeria are dodging it, we don't know the reason why. But however, may you still contribute to put for inside comment section. Thank you so much for watching and share.